Hi everyone. So please we'll discuss today how basically we can buy or rent a remote SAP HANA server or SAP S4 HANA server. So please watch this video carefully. Okay, it will great help for the beginner and consultants. Okay, so we are discussing here the remote server. So basically always SAP HANA or S4 HANA will come under a remote server. It will not come under ECC. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so always why? Because HANA or S4 HANA is a integrated. Okay, so it is not possible in the local GUI ECC. Okay, it is always should have a remote. Okay, so let's hear. Okay, so how we will get a HANA or as for HANA access. So two are different system. I will show you practically. So don't leave these sessions. Please be there. Okay, and listen carefully for full video. Okay, so let's see. We are talking about the HANA. Okay, HANA is a part of your different native HANA. Okay, and as for HANA is a part of ECC. Okay, I'll tell you practically how we can check whether it is ECC, okay, Oracle server, or like this is the HANA S4 HANA server. Okay, so how we can get access instantly? You can mail us. Okay, we will provide you the either ECC based on your requirement or S4 HANA or SAP HANA. Okay, it is a quarterly, monthly, or yearly basis. Okay, it is available, free trial available. Okay, it is very good for learning and training purpose. So please, okay, mail us, share us, and subscribe this channel as well. Okay, so we'll go into the your like support. Okay, how we can support if you are taking the S4 HANA, definitely GUI and Fury already was installed, no need to install anything for S4 HANA. Okay, and 24 by 7 support. We will have any issue, you can mail us, we will okay fix it immediately. Okay, as per the bandwidth or priority. Okay, so basically HANA or S4 HANA comes under two types of server basically. One is a shared, which is cheaper. Okay, that is called a shareable server. Okay, which can share among multiple trainers, students, and publics. But dedicated server is a kind of environment where have an individual, so it would be costly. So basically some dedicated training can happen in this kind of server. So depend upon either one single user, then we'll suggest go for the shared, which is cheaper. Okay, if you have a 10 people, 10, 20, 30, 50, okay, then you can go for dedicated. So dedicated and shared, and what is the difference basically? Okay, shared, that means uh, share means the same server can share among multiple peoples. Okay, but dedicated can have share among multiple people, but dedicated have this their own authorizations there, it has own role to assign, delete, create user. But in the shareable access is not possible, because if someone can delete, other one can have an impact. So that is the difference. Okay, even price we have a difference. Okay, so based on your subscription you can choose, and it is also available free demo for 2 days. So please mail us. Okay, it is available for us. Okay, so even you can go your based on your requirement plan. Okay, so there is no need to install GUI or individual machines. Okay, so this is the like kind of pricing. Okay, no issues. So okay, so let's go ahead the practically. So how we can go ahead? So this is, we have a remote server access, which is already I have logged in, and I'm going to show you how we can log in into the S4 HANA. So this is S4 HANA. Okay, no need to install anything, just I will give the step while taking the access from us. Okay, just you can have a remote access. This is very easy. So once you have connected with this remote server access, just click on S4 HANA connections. Okay, now you can give the user ID and already have the password. Here I am going to connect over here. Yes, it is connected successfully. Then how you can check whether it is ECC or S4 HANA? Go to the system status, and you can see here there some is the product version. Click over here. Now you can see here the list available here. See, so many packages and all are there here, development. Okay, now go to install product version. Here you can see the latest 2023. See, Fury S4 HANA installed, right? So this is how we can check. Okay, and other options also available. You can see, go here, you can see the database. See database. This is a HANA database. Okay, there is no Oracle. Okay, so this is not a ECC. This is a HANA. This is a way you can identify whether it is ECC or S4 HANA. So this is the S4 HANA. So don't confuse. HANA is a different system. This is a ECC HANA. Means HANA ECC. Okay, is a, if ECC has a HANA database, that means that is a S4 HANA. Okay, so that is, I will show you here. This is a HANA. That means it is a um, S4 HANA. Okay, so now you can go any like T code, just I am showing you. Okay, this is Mara table. Okay, I am going to show something. So let's see here. Okay, so you can execute it. So like this, we can see the data. Okay, in the Mara table, or so many tables are there. So this is how we can check that is the S4 HANA. Now come to the HANA system. Okay, so for HANA system you have to go with the, this is the HANA Studio. Okay, so HANA Studio is a not a system, it is a IDS system. Okay, IDS tool which is used in either Furies or ABAP. Okay, programming, or you can Java programming or BW ID. Okay, so for the modeling you can use it. Even we can native HANA, you can say HANA Studio native HANA. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to connect. So you can see already we have connected. This is the HANA system. Okay, and this is the admin console. So you can see it's already connected over here. So now you can see, just drill your content. Okay, you can see so many packages are available, provisionings also, catalogs also available. So based on your requirements, see, this is already available. So here already calculations view and so many things are available. Okay, we will not go into depth. So I will basically show you how the HANA access works and how it is as for HANA. So this is a HANA basically. Okay, so if you click okay on this HANA database, you will see the detail about this, like all the admin, like see here landscape, everything would be here, like landscape, alert, performance, so all will maintain over here. So this is called the HANA systems. Okay, even now if you want to change the perspective, here is the button. Okay, you can change the perspective, like if you want to use in ABAP like a development, or you want to BW modeling. Okay, if you want Java, so many things you can do over here in HANA. So this is a HANA, so don't confuse. Okay, and this is HANA also, HANA modeling. So there is, don't confuse. So S4 HANA is a part of ECC and HANA is a part of, you can say, ID. Okay, where we can have a interface to develop the program, or okay, or you can model the BW landscapes or whatever the data flow. Okay, so this is the have a access. Okay, so please mail us, we will provide, either you want S4 HANA or that is a HANA. So these two server always comes under remote. Okay, it is not possible individual GUI, so please keep in mind. Okay, if any query, please mail us. Okay, and share this, and definitely you should subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.